Hey guys, so I have been having so many health issues, food allergies, food intolerances, just been feeling absolutely horrible. Ended up having to have emergency surgery for a bowel obstruction. And so I have decided to finally get myself together. And because of all the food allergies and intolerances, I don't know what I'm allergic to. I'm actually going to go on the carnivore diet for two reasons. So I can figure out what I'm allergic to. I am seeing an allergy doctor, but food allergies, food intolerances are difficult sometimes to pinpoint. And so I'm going to use carnivore as an elimination diet. And number two, I am going to use it to jumpstart weight loss again. I had bariatric surgery about 2 years ago. I lost 175 pounds. But since then, just kind of plateaued and haven't been able to lose anymore. Just been staying right around 200 pounds. So I'm going to see how I feel on this carnivore diet. I'm dealing with anemia and vitamin issues. So I am going to be taking supplements as well, which I have been taking supplements, but I wouldn't say they've done a whole lot to help me out. I'm more maintaining, which I can only assume if I wasn't supplementing it, they would be even lower. So follow along on this journey, guys. Let's do it together. Now, I am going to be a baby carnivore, so I'm not going to be super strict about this because I'm already going to be eliminating so much. I don't want to go into it super strict and then fall off because I can't maintain it. So I am going to go into it trying to stay like keto carnivore, mainly carnivore, but I'm going to do sauces and that kind of thing, and like flavored waters, sparkling waters that are super low carb, that kind of thing, just as I kind of ease myself into this. I'm looking at it as a good, better, best situation. Whatever I do is still going to be way better than the standard American diet that I was eating. So follow along on this health journey and experiment for carnivore for a month, and then we'll reassess, see how things are going, see how I'm feeling. I'll see you next time, guys.